Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's that time of year. What time of year, you ask? Well, it's swap meet season. So that's where we're off to today. It's early in the morning here. We're gonna got the old Chevy fired up, warming up, and we're gonna pin it. We're gonna head off to the Red Deer swap meet. See if there's anything there that we need. I don't really need anything, but that's how they work until you see something, right? So, anyways, yeah. So it's um, about 2 hours and 40 minutes for us to get there. So I don't think we're going to quite be there when it opens, but we'll get there in time and see what we can find. So got my nice hat on, got my kicks, and we'll head out. Me and Barbie are gonna go for an early morning drive. See what we can round up. Okay, everyone, we made it. It's actually a nice drive. Made good time. Roads were good, so that's all good. Yeah, so we just got a little walk in here, but I want to show you guys something too. I already noticed something pretty cool. This be a 1980. It was a pretty cherry little K10. It's a real nice little truck. But yeah. Anyways, I'm not the only guy driving an old truck to the swap meet. So, anyways, we'll head on in and take a look around. Okay, just got through the door, got our stamps. There's two halls, so this will be the first one we're going to walk through. But you can kind of see already looks like lots of people. Looks like some good stuff. So we'll walk around, take a look, and show you guys around a bit. All right, everyone. We've just been walking around this little area for a bit, but take a look at this old cab over. Pretty cool. Makes me kind of motivated to get working on mine, which I will soon, hopefully. So that's cool. But yeah, lots of stuff to look at. We'll just keep wandering around. If I see anything that interests me, I'll let you guys know. But yeah. Anyways, just keep on looking. Yeah, I think they're all LED. If they have the 3 wires, then they're LED. So they were ordering me one. I think they had the incandescent in the one with no flange, but I want the flanges, right? Yeah. So they don't have. He told me 2 weeks when I called on Friday. Yep. See, I could get for my horns. That stuff is cool. I like that stuff. It's like someone's art, right? See, one of these would be cool on the cab over, right? So basically, it hangs off the back, and then when you're ready, you pull a cable, and it for a signal. You know what I mean? That'd be kind of cool. Hey, it'd be an added feature that would be neat on the old cab over. They're always on like the big trucks, right? Is this the lever? No, I think that's something else. Oh no, I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's got a lever, yeah. But yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. But it has to flip out the side, right? So I don't know where you'd really mount it. I guess you could make a nice bracket off the corner of the cab, right? But figure out a way. Pretty cool though. I don't know if what's that? With some dollar bills? Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
That was a good explanation you gave.
Yeah. Because the stuff is cool, right? I just don't know if I'd want to mount it to that truck.
This one has a little.
Oh yeah.
That one?
It don't matter either, really. Yeah. But I just don't know if I want to. Like I said, I don't know if I want to mount it. I guess why not? I bolted stuff to the cab. If I made a nice well, I got those It's corner windows too. This could be up above it. I don't know how I could make it work, right? And I'd have to figure that. I'm not sure exactly, but I don't know. Let me think about it. I don't think they're going anywhere fast. So even maybe this one though, because I think it'd be easier to mount and just make my own string system if you were to. Not that I'm trying to be cheap. It's just the way you would do it. I don't know. Might actually work better, eh?
Customize it more.
Yeah. So you'd have to build a bracket to attach it. Do you know what I mean? Because of the cap.
You know there's going to be a test after.
Yeah. GMC, like the same in the cab over. Look at that little baby alternator. You want a Ferrari Testarossa phone? Oh wait, it's this 8-track, the one in the middle, the orange one. It's like Meatloaf, Barb. Meatloaf on 8-track. Ooh, do you want a $2 bill for $6? $18. It's minty though. Oh, check out this harmonica. Holy smokes. That's crazy. I like the Jeppy. That's cool, eh?
I had to.
Would you ring it for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another rocket.
Oh yeah. Or even, I imagine it probably goes. Yeah, because it's probably right. Yeah, that's cool.
Yep. How's it going?
Good, and yourself?
Good.
Good,
Back
good.
again.
Would you take $100 for this baby?
For that one, I would do 100.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll take it for 100. I appreciate that. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's
Awesome.
missing a little bit.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. Thank you.
What are you working on?
A 49 GMC cab over.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You betcha. And it's kind of a rat rotted thing, so I can just do whatever I want to have it.
Yeah.
Make it look good.
And
Yeah.
just have it solid and not
Yeah.
usable. Yeah.
Or even usable, but
Yeah.
we'll see how it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw that one's got all the
The and,
mechanisms.
and I think mine's the five window
Okay.
cab. So I feel I'll have to do something special to make it fit anyways. So that's pretty cool actually that they paint it all up. Oh, these ones are free, Barb. Everything in there is free. Should take that hubcap, put it on my wall. What's that? Get the free hubcaps. I will put them on in my shed. They're free, man. You'd be stupid not to take them. Stupid not to. These trucks, I'll show you. You already see. See above the headlight? They rot. That's where they all rot. So bad here, hey?
I love the patina though.
Yeah, it's got a good look to it. It's had some patches done. 7,500 is I think a little steep. That's a cool truck. Also got a good look to them for like a rat rod, hey? $1,200. But to set that up would be more than that, right? It's got a spool in it. That'd be good for the gasser.
Now that's a mini Winnie.
That's a mini Winnie, yeah. I'll show you another super cool one. You got your Tonka, right, with a winch, and it had power. But I want to look at this too.
Again. Let's close the door.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
How much is the white rose can?
Hey, come on, we got lots more ground to cover.
175.
Not bad.
Yeah, I guess that's not too bad. Hey, 120, $100. Air horns. Yeah. And had the sissy bar that was real tall. That's cool. Hey, this is a microphone for rock and roll. That's super cool. Hey. Yeah, I like that. I like that bicycle. Yeah.
1967.
That's super cool. All right. Well, we made it through there. Um, there's always more stuff, and you can shake a stick out of these things. You just have to know what you're looking for. I wasn't looking for really anything in particular. Just went for the fun of it to look around and do stuff. So, but I did grab one of these, the old Signal. I think I'll throw this on the old cab over when I start working on it here soon. So, they're super cool. If you don't understand how they work, they pivot, and then they indicate that they whip up like kind of like that to indicate the direction and stuff headed. So that's kind of cool. So I'll throw it on that truck probably. But yeah, so we're gonna go have a snack or something, and then we're probably gonna pin it home. Just walking out, a couple cool vehicles here too that I've noticed. So Mercury here. Then there's an old Chevy there. An old patinaed up rat rod. Super cool. Alright, everyone, I just wanted to catch up with you before I end this video here. So we made it back. No issues. That old, that truck, it actually runs and drives pretty good. It's pretty happy with it. It's got that 5.3 LS and stuff, and it actually just actually runs pretty good and drives nice. It and I think I got what do I got? 373 gears, I believe that truck has. So it actually gets pretty good mileage. Like it's not awful. So anyways, enjoyable little drive there. It's kind of good. I did grab this. I'll show you. I showed you guys this a little bit. I did grab this deal here, and I'm standing by the cab over. So these things are typically, show you guys, typically what would happen. And in this truck, I think I might put it on the other side. Well, if I go ahead and mount it to be on the other side. But typically these things were mounted on the cab here somewhere, or I've seen them mounted on like the grain box or something. And then it swivels here. I don't know if you guys seen that, but it swivels here. And then you have you have it mounted however you mount it. In this case, it's got the flange. You could just bolt it right to there if you wanted, or whatever. But then it had a cable that you would tug on. And then again, this swivels. So then what it would do is just whip up in the air, to indicate you're turning. Stick way out so people could see that. And it's got these reflectors and stuff in it. So super cool. This old rat rod cab over. I'm definitely going to put that on there somewhere. Like I said, on the other side, because I need to run it or have the ability to run it also. Plus, I'm going to have the exhaust pipe on the side. So anyways, yeah, so happy to have that little fella. But yeah, like I said, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. You can see I got my trunk lid here too. So we're going to get finish putting that car together and stuff. And that'll be the next video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.